So I'm about to leave for a month-long trip, and this is the last package I got before that. Okay, so this is a kit to touch up the paint in a car. So I'm gonna take it and maybe I'll find the car over there. This is supposed to be a gray color. Modern steel metallic. Right here it says it's compatible with Honda. This is gray, so it might be compatible with a lot of different cars. We'll try it. I finally made it back from Chile, and I'm here with this metallic touch-up paint, which is compatible with a Honda, and I have the Honda here finally. So let's see if this is actually a match, a perfect match. Obviously the tone of the colors change depending on the light you put on it. As you can see, it's very similar. So this is the Modern Steel Metallic NH797M paint. There's the code. So you have to be very careful when you select this from the website, because obviously you want a perfect match for your car. If you are not a stubborn person like I am and you think you know better than the manufacturer, I actually took it to a trip and tried on different cars down there. So these are very specific, and that's exactly what you want. This car is brand new, so for now it doesn't have any scratches. But let's try it in a part that you don't see much. Engine hub. For example, we could try up here. You can hear it has like a ball pin in there. So and let's try it right here. A little bit of a touch-up. This is all base paint, so you can actually smell it. It's drying up. The kit comes with this brush. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to clean the brush later, but it looks like it's a match, a perfect match. I'm gonna wait a few minutes till it dries and see how it is. As you can see, it's a perfect match. Maybe it's not the best demonstration for this product since this is a matte finish and the outside of the car is shiny, but we don't have any scratches on this car, so it's good to know that you have it for wherever you might need it. Again, be very careful when you order. Check the specific code for every car and you will get a match. So there you have it. Here it is. That's the whole set. Here's the little brush. They sent me a second sample. This is for a Dodge Exact Match Chip and Nick touch-up. So now my task is to find a Dodge that matches this color. Oh, this is a diamond black crystal pearl. I might have one up there. Let's see. So we found this Ram pickup truck. It's a 2021 model. And as you can see, it has a lot of scratches here in the front. I'm not gonna, well, I'm gonna say what happened. It ran out into that garage door by accident, of course, not on purpose. So we're gonna see if this paint, touch-up paint, it's actually, as it says, the exact color. According to the label, this is the diamond black crystal pearl. And you can see here it has a little bit of metallic look to it. You can see it here more on the sun. So this is gonna be the safest place to try it, I think. It can look any worse than it is now, so let's do that. Let's see how it is. It has a little official document for the car, just says black. So I don't know if that makes a difference, but let's try a little spot here. Let's let it dry for a little bit. It comes with this little brush, but I don't think I need it. This is the most exciting part of it, letting it dry. Okay, I'm gonna do a bigger one, this big one here, to see what the difference would be. You can actually see.
It actually has to be that because that's the only color. The pearl black is the only color they made this in.
Oh really? So we have confirmation that the black, what is the crystal pearl color?
Crystal pearl.
So this is the color. I mean, we have a match. So when you order, make sure to order the exact color. You go to the website and pick according to the car. So in this case, I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of an indentation in the paint because this is pretty thick. Maybe we need to put more layers of it to be thicker. But what do you think, Tim? Do you see the two spots that I already painted?
Oh yeah, but
Here
it looks,
and here.
But it looks way better. It actually does match it perfectly.
It does, like it matches. So I'm gonna paint more
A
of it.
little bit of buffing.
Maybe no, but the problem is that you can see this is a much thicker layer of paint that this gives.
Right.
You can see it, but it's gonna be better than
But it's
this.
gonna be way better.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint the whole, was as many as I can. I don't know if this will last the whole thing. So let's do that.
Have at it.
So there you go. This is our final inspection. Looks a lot better. You have to pay attention,
Way better.
see the details of it, but from far away, I mean, it doesn't look brand new, but you don't see any white anymore. I'm afraid of touching the rest of the body on it, but this is definitely an improvement. We made a little bit of a mess. We're gonna wait for it to dry and we're gonna find some wax, buffer it off, so we can avoid seeing these chunks of paint. So far so good. Don't crash the garage door again. We're about halfway done with this touch-up paint job. You can see some of the ones in the bottom part of it, and on this side we already painted it. We're gonna try to smooth it out a little bit, but we just found out that the average price for this kind of job, a professional job, will be about $300 to $1,000. So we're saving a lot of money here. And now we're trying to wax it off a little bit to see if we can get rid of that excess of paint. And while looking at it, I discovered there's a few more down here, and this might be from rocks hitting on the bumper on the road. So let me do those here. Actually, you can see a bend here. I think I used the whole bottle of it. I don't know, it might have a little bit left. We're gonna save it for later. We see other scratches, but this is actually the perfect example of the use of this product. It's not a perfect professional paint job, but it makes a huge difference from what we had before. So there you go, we finished the job. And from the distance, what do you think, Tim? Better?
It's great. Perfect. Like brand new.
Well, not really. And we just put these license plates. We're not gonna hold that against him, but it looks good. It matches the truck a little bit, the color of it. So good job.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thanks, Javi.
So we were about to leave and walking around the truck. We're gonna try it here. This is where how do you kick this thing? And you can see what he did. Probably with big boots he scratched it there, but let's try it here, because I think this is gonna be much better. Again, if we have enough. Seems like we do, and this is kind of a safer place than the rest of the body of the truck. I mean, I'm not an artist, but there you go. Now you see it, now you don't.
A little wax and that'll all go away.
Wow, pretty good. Again, like if you knew it was there, you know, but you don't. I mean, you have to really pay attention. It's kind of fun actually doing this, finding these little spots. I'm gonna let it dry and come back and check it later. And this goes back.
Just kick it straight.
So we're gonna keep this in the truck as a reference in case we hit the garage door again or something else on the road. And you can see there are other scratches here. Maybe we'll work on that next. But the bumper looks really, really good. So
Way better.
highly recommended for this kind of job. We're not professionals, but it looks like we are.